Very good morning, children. Sairam. So, today we shall revise the book back exercises. Okay. So, before that, we'll see the important points from the lesson. Okay, children. So, first one. So, what are the sources of light? So, we have learnt in the previous class, isn't it? And we have revised. Yes. So, what are the sources of light? Sun, electric bulb, candle, isn't it? So these are the sources of light. Okay. So some things like the sun and electric bulbs give out light. So those things that give out light are called sources of light. Okay. Next one, a shadow is formed when an object blocks the path of light. Isn't it? For that we have learned some examples. Isn't it? Some experiments. Isn't it? So if you show a torch on a wall and if you place any things, solid things between the torch and the wall, then you can see the shadow of the thing on the wall. Isn't it? So how is formed? How the shadow is formed? Because it blocks the path of light. So that shadow is formed. Okay. The third point, we can see things when they reflect light to our eyes. We can see things when they reflect light to our eyes. So for this statement also we have seen some experiment, isn't it? Apple. So if you want to see an apple, what happens? So the light from the sun or electric bulb falls on that apple and it bounces, isn't it? Then the light bounces. When this bounce light falls on your eyes, then you can see that apple. And this bounces is called reflection. Bouncing of light is called reflection. Okay, so we can see things when they reflect light to our eyes. Okay, so next one, sound is produced when something moves back and forth very fast, and this movement is called vibration. Isn't it? Sound is produced when something moves back and forth very fast. This movement is called vibration. For this also we have learned two experiments. One is guitar and another one is drum. Isn't it? So next one, a push or a pull is a force. So what is called force? A push or pull is called a force. Okay. We need energy to do work. We need energy to do work. And how do we get energy? So from where we get energy? We get energy from food. Okay. And the vehicles get energy from petrol or diesel. Okay. And the toy car gets energy from batteries. Okay. So these are all the things we have learnt in the lesson. Okay. So now we shall do the book back exercises. Okay. First one, multiple choice questions. First question, which of these is not a source of light? Read the question carefully. Which of these is not a source of light? First one, moon. Second, sun. Third one, flame. Fourth one, bulb. So which of these four is not a source of light? So sun, we get light from sun, isn't it? And we get light from flames, bulbs. What about moon? Moon gets light from sun. So it is not source of light. So the correct answer is moon. Okay. Correct answer is moon. Second question. Which of these is produced when the path of light is blocked? Which of these is produced when the path of light is blocked? So when the path of light is blocked, which is formed, which will be formed? Just now we have learnt. Yes. So the options are reflection, shadow, sound, energy. So when the path of light is blocked, which will be formed? Shadow, isn't it? So when the path of light is blocked, shadow is formed. So the correct answer is shadow. Okay. Third question. Which of these would allow light to pass through it? Which of these would allow light to pass through it? Options are TV, a book, a window pane, all of these. So which of these would allow light to pass through it? A window pane. Okay, the correct answer is a window pane. Okay. Fourth question. Which of these sounds can cause damage to your ears? Which of these sounds can cause damage to your ears? The options are the chirping of a bird. No, it isn't it? It is a pleasant sound. The next one, the sound of a whisper. No. Third one, the bursting of firecrackers. Fourth one, the sound of leaves in a breeze. So which of these sounds can cause damage to your ears? The bursting of firecrackers, isn't it? So the correct answer is the bursting of firecrackers. Okay. Fifth question. Which of these has energy stored in it? Which of these has energy stored in it? Options are food, battery, petrol, all of these. So they didn't mention for whom the energy, isn't it? So generally they have asked which of these has energy stored in it. So we get energy from food, toy car gets energy from battery, and vehicles gets energy from petrol, isn't it? So the answer is all of these. Okay, all of these. The correct answer is all of these. Okay. So the next one is filling the blanks. Okay. First question. We can see a book when it dash light to our eyes. So how can we see book? When it reflects the light to our eyes, isn't it? So we can see a book when it reflects. Okay. Reflects light to our eyes. Okay. Second question. Dash allows light to pass through. Dash allows light to pass through. Which one allows light to pass through? Yes, glass, isn't it? Glass. So glass, G-L-A-S-S, glass. Okay. Third question. Quick dash and dash movements produce sound. So how do we hear the sound? When it moves back and forth very fast, isn't it? How do we hear sound? When the things move back and forth very fast. So quick, back and forth. Quick back and forth movements produce sound. Okay. Fourth question. To move something, we have to dash or dash it. So if you want to move some things, then what you will do? Whether you pull that thing or you push that thing, isn't it? So to move something, we have to pull or push it. Okay. So pull, P-U-L-L, pull or push it. Okay. To move something, we have to pull or push it. Okay. Fifth question. Our body gets energy from. So where do we get energy from? Yes, just now we have learnt, isn't it? Food. So our body gets energy from food. Okay. Our body gets energy from food. Okay, children. So the next one, mark true or false. Okay, mark tick for true and cross for false statements. Okay. First question. Only the sun can produce its own light. Only the sun can produce its own light. Is it true? No, isn't it? Because electric bulb can produce its light and flame and candle. So they can produce its own light, their own light, isn't it? So it is false statement. So we have to put cross mark here. Okay. This statement is false. Okay. Second one. When the path of light is blocked by an object, a shadow is formed. When the path of light is blocked by an object, a shadow is formed. True or false? True, isn't it? When the path of light is blocked, then the shadow is formed. So it is a true statement. So we have to put tick mark. Okay. Third one, back and forth movement of something produces sound. Back and forth movement of something produces sound. Is it true? Yes. So the sound is produced when something moves back and forth very fast, isn't it? So it is correct statement. So we can put tick mark. Okay. Fourth one, music can damage your ears if played very loudly. Music can damage your ears if played very loudly. So if it played very loudly, then it is an unpleasant sound, isn't it? So it can damage your ears, isn't it? So it is a correct statement. So we can put tick mark. Okay. The next one, fifth one. You need more force to move heavy things than light things. You need more force to move heavy things than light things. Is it true? Yes, isn't it? So if you want to move heavy things, then we need more force, isn't it? So it is a correct statement. So we have to put tick mark here. Okay. So have you all understood? Yes. So did you remember these things? Yes. So the next one, answer the following questions. Okay. First question, what is reflection and how do we see things? What is reflection? How do we see things? So the answer is bouncing of light by an object is called reflection. Okay, what is reflection? Bouncing of light by an object is called reflection. Okay, then how do we see things? When light falls on an object, it bounces off. And when this bounced light reaches your eyes, we see the object. Okay, when light falls on an object, it bounces off, and when this bounced light reaches your eyes, we can see object. We can see the object. Okay. Second question is, how is sound produced? How is sound produced? Sound is produced when anything moves back and forth very fast. Sound is produced when anything moves back and forth very fast. Okay. So these are all the things we have learnt many times so far, isn't it? So third question, what is force? What is force? A push or pull is called force. A push or pull is called force. Okay. Fourth one, when do you need energy? When do you need energy? So we need energy when we want to do some work. We need energy when we want to do some work. Okay. Second one, where do you get energy from? We get this energy from food. Where do you get energy from? We get this energy from food. Okay. So we have finished the revision of chapter number 11 also. Okay. So you can read the lesson. Okay, read the lesson. Reading is very much important. Okay. So while reading, you can understand the concept and you will be clear with the spellings, new terms. Okay. So read the lesson again and again. Okay. So that you will be thorough with the concept of this lesson and spellings. Okay. So reading is very important. So read the lesson. Okay. Study well. Thank you.